Hi friends, welcome back to another video. So today I have uh, built a triple five timer IC based bistable multi-vibrator circuit which uses two uh, push switches. So this is a simple circuit actually. Uh, the circuit diagram will be shared in the description. So you can also build a-stable, bistable, and monostable circuit using a transistor also. So basically, what happens here, the pin 2 of the triple five timer IC is connected to a pull-up resistor, which connects to VCC, and uh, the pin 2 also connects to ground via this push switch, which is pulled towards ground to turn the circuit on, and pin 6 of the IC connects to a pull down resistor. You can select any value for that matter, and also pin 6 of the IC connects to VCC via the push switch, which turns the circuit off. uh, and later videos will be made on A stable and monostable. Thank you friends.